Gino gye gimu ku misiri gya Kkooko mu disitulikiti y'e Kagadi. Abalimi b'ekirime kino bagamba nti bandibadde beeyagalira nnyo mu kukirima naye ababbi babafuukidde ekyambika.
As this cocoa plant got the highest price in the market, it has been a target for thieves. We are all day long nights fighting with thieves.
Thieves have been cheating our pork. You find when they have harvested the whole pork.
Okusobola okufunamu ku makungula, bano bagamba nti bapangisa bakuumi ne babwama mu nnimiro.
We have got some people from Kikobe, these are Lulu from Kikobe, who speak the Lulu and Swahili. Because if you had employed these people from here locally, they would have been able to collaborate, to connive with these locals here and steal our cocoa.
Bano baagala bayambibwe mu buzibu buno kubanga bafiirizibwa ensimbi ze bandifunyemu ate ng'ekirime kino kye kibayimirizaawo.
We are paying school fees for our children. The market and the demand of of cocoa is high, so at least I can call it an agricultural gold because we've never got any crop in as far as agriculture is concerned which can defeat the price of cocoa.
N'obuuka obuli ekirime kino nabwo bubasuza bakukunadde.
However much taking care of the plant, pruning and other things, but there's also a challenge of pests and diseases. We face them very seriously.
Ng'ovudde ku ekyo n'embeera y'obudde nayo ebalemesezza okweyagalira mu mulimu guno.
Because this plant requires high amount of rainfall, but our climate most of the time is full of drought.
This year we are ending, we have had almost sun shining throughout the year. Especially in our sub-county, we have had drought since January.
Zeya Mpalana akulira ebyobulimi mu disitulikiti y'e Kagadi agamba nti badde n'okusoomooza okw'obutabaawo tteeka erirungama ekirime kino.
As government we are putting up an ordinance, but before an ordinance we have made a policy which is yet to be signed, preferably before this month ends because it is ready. We are helped by Swiss Contact as our partner.
Mu tteeka lino banira bakutandika n'okuwa abalimi n'abaguzi license.
One, we want to know and license the cocoa buying companies. We know when are they buying, to whom are they buying cocoa from. We also regulate the farmers who is selling cocoa, so that by the time you go to sell, you are selling at a known date to a known company.
Era bali mu nteekateeka etandikawo obukuumi nga bakozesa abatuuze n'abalimi bennyini.
And we are also setting up the community security committees already in place so that they can provide the security of the crop.
Lilian Ruteraho, RDC w'e Kagadi, obubbi mu kitundu abutadde ku baana abeesamba ebyokusoma.
When you come here like in this sub-county of Chakabadima, 60% of the pupils or the runners or those who are supposed to be in schools are not going to school.
Ono era ategeezezza nga bwe baliko be bakutte ku bubbi wa Kkooko n'asaba abatuuze okukwataganira awamu nabo.
We have registered very many complaints. In fact, in Mambugu prisons, we have like 20 people, thieves for cocoa.
Wetwogereranga mu kitundu kino, abalimi ba Kkooko basukka mu 1,500 era ng'ekirime kino kye kibayimirizaawo.